say the red path through slippery serpent forest is the shortest way to Belch Mountain.
Yay! Hey! We figured out the quickest way to go. And we got 2 gold doubloons. Let's grab them and go.
We better go fast, or my guitar's gonna be toast.
Look alive! It's slippery serpent forest.
Gee, sure hope we don't bump into any slippery serpents.
Crackers!
Hot coconut's a slippery serpent.
She looks really nice, but how do we get past her?
Well, she is a slippery serpent. And slippery things are good for sliding on. What do you think? Can we slide along the slippery serpent's back? Yo-ho, let's go!
She's so cool. Everybody arms up and slide with us. Anchors away! Yahoo!
Yo-ho, way to go, crew! We all slid on the slippery serpent, and we got 2 more gold doubloons. Let's grab them and go! Come on, mateys. If we want to save my guitar, we better hurry. Yo-ho! Thanks to your help, we reached the volcano before Captain Hook.
Just in time, too. Here it comes. And look, Jake, there's your guitar.
That's me.
But, Captain, we could move so much quicker if I wasn't carrying you.
I'm tired, Smee. Remember, I haven't had my nap.
With us here to stop him, Hook and Smee won't be able to throw my guitar into the volcano.
But how can we get the guitar back from Hook?
And get back down the path. I've got an idea. See those vines? Let's all pick up a palm frond like this. We'll loop it over a vine, then we'll hang on and zip down the vines right over Hook and Smee. And we'll grab the guitar as we slide by.
Good plan is...
Gangway! All right, got it.
Get back here, rapscallions! After they Mr. Smee, giddy up!
Oh, no!
Here you go, Jake. Treasure returned. And we got 2 gold doubloons. Let's grab them and go.
Way to go, Izzy! This ought to slow him down.
Step lively, Smee.
I'm trying, Captain, but this path is a wee bit slippery.
Crackers! Scurvy pirates, 12 o'clock!
Yo-ho, let's go!
Yo-ho, let's